trash piece of shit. I'm better than you all. I can outlearn you. I can outread you. I can outthink you. And I can outphilosophize you. And I'm gonna outlast you. You think a couple of whacks to my good old ball gun's gonna get me down? It's gonna take a hell of a lot more than that, counselor, to prove you're better than me.